How to fix Microsoft PowerPoint crashing or not opening. So if you encounter this problem, first thing you should do here is you have to go to your start menu, look for PowerPoint, and then this time you have to look for run as administrator and see if this method works. If not, the next thing you should do here in order for you to fix this problem is again go back to your start menu, look for PowerPoint, and then here you have to open file location, locate PowerPoint again, right click, and then look for troubleshoot program. This will help you detect the issue or problem, why the PowerPoint is experiencing, or let's just say PowerPoint is crashing or not opening. Now, if it detects an issue, then it will suggest ways and method on how to fix this one. And you can test if this method works. If not, and then the next thing to do here is you can just basically uninstall the PowerPoint first and then go to your Microsoft Store or trusted site where you can reinstall this one. So for me, I'd rather go to Microsoft Store, and then in the Microsoft Store, I'm going to look for PowerPoint and then get or reinstall this one again. It could be paid or it could be for free. So basically, these are the ways and how to fix Microsoft PowerPoint crashing or not opening. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.